ओके बच्चों, वेलकम टू आरपीडी पब्लिक स्कूल. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट क्लास 7 साइंस सब्जेक्ट. लेसन फर्स्ट. टॉपिक इज photosynthesis. Lesson name nutrition in plant. So now we are going to start photosynthesis. Photo means this word denote about photon. Photon means light. Photon means light. Synthesis means preparation. So photosynthesis means food formation in the presence of light. Food formation in the presence of light. एक्चुअल में फोटोसिंथेसिस में होता क्या है? सपोज दैट दिस इज अ प्लांट. This is root. Leaf, flower, stem, leaf tip, stomata. I want to show you which type of structure stomata have. This is stomata. This is stomatal pore. This is guard cell. Guard cell, and this is chloroplast. This is chloroplast. Chloroplast have chlorophyll. Chlorophyll which participate in the process of photosynthesis. Means actually what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis means photosynthesis means preparation or formation of food in the presence of chlorophyll, sunlight, carbon dioxide, and removing of oxygen. Okay बच्चों, so you can understand what is photosynthesis. Photon means light, synthesis means preparation of food. So this is a plant. The lower portion of the plant, which is present in root, which is present in soil, this is soil portion, which is present in the soil, is called root, and the upper portion of the soil is called shoot. So the lower portion of soil is called root, upper portion of the soil is called root. So root and shoot. Shoot contain leaf, stem, flower, and this is leaf margin, which is known as stomata. Here is a picture of stomata. This is stomatal pore. We can say opening of stomata. This is guard cell. Guard cell contain small granules like structure, which is called chloroplast. Chloroplast contain chlorophyll. Chlorophyll participate in the process of photosynthesis. ओके बच्चों, मिलते हैं फिर नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.